Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting and action-packed to share with you. A brand new blockchain game called Crime and Chase. Whether you're into mobile gaming, strategy, or Web3 projects, you're going to love this one. So make sure to watch till the end, and don't skip any part. Right pointing back hand index if you're new here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest games. So what exactly is Crime and Chase? It's a 4x strategy game. Explore, expand, exploit, exterminate. Built on the Aptos blockchain, which means secure transactions, NFT integration, and a GameFi ecosystem. Available for download on Play Store and App Store. Bullseye: the game combines action, strategy, and NFTs into one immersive experience. Crown. At the start, you get to choose from 3 powerful crime bosses, each with unique abilities, special styles, their own story arc. Warning sign #warning after you pick one. The other 2 get eliminated, and the scene is intense. Let's just say we had to keep it PG for YouTube winking face. This game isn't just about gameplay, it's also about earning rewards. Admission ticket # you get draw tickets that can be used for NFT drops. Gold military medal #. There are 27 types of NFT badges you can collect and merge to increase rarity. Money bag: you can merge common badges into epic or legendary ones, which boost your in-game performance and rewards. Each NFT has a real value, and there's even a price index updated every 5 minutes in USD and FPT, the in-game token. Logging in is super easy. You can sign in using Google or Apple ID. Once inside, you get a cool interface and can claim free tickets, join events, and access your Web3 wallet and inventory. I always recommend staying connected with the developers and other players. Loudspeaker: join their Discord, X, formerly Twitter, and Medium. Links are in the video description below. They're super active and often announce special events, airdrops, and exclusive NFTs there. Calendar #, limited time event, 3:30. Police cars revolving light heads up. There's a limited time launch event happening. Wrapped present rewards for early players. Droplet special NFT airdrops. Chart with upward trend ranking competitions. The event is live until April 30th, 2025, UTC, don't miss out. So what are you waiting for? Download Crime and Chase now on your mobile device. Explore the intense world of crime bosses, chases, and NFT rewards. And start building your empire today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you've tried the game or have any questions.